So I've sewn this one together, and I cut them off of this one already.
Okay.
But I want to show you, each one of these strips I think was 2 inches. So I sewed them down the middle. So I'm going to cut that off, and I have lined up with that dotted line right there, and I've lined this line up on my seam, which I have already pressed. So I'm gonna go to 2 inches, 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches, because you've got to cut like 34 of them. But look at how fast and easy that was. And they're all exactly the same size. You're just gonna put them backwards. Look at that, because she nested them, they are right on. Okay, so the Doug Lico ruler, I know this is a 1.5 inch square. There it is.
Right.
So I'm gonna cut that. I love that.
I mean, that is as hard as this pattern gets.